Unraveling the backup knot, a simple guide. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, backup knot. This term might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll unravel its meaning together in an easy and fun way. So, let's get started. The term, backup knot, is primarily used in climbing and mountaineering contexts. It refers to an additional knot tied as a safety measure. The main purpose of a backup knot is to prevent the primary knot from untying or to add extra security in situations where safety is crucial. In this sense, backup denotes a support or secondary role, and knot is, of course, the physical loop or tie in the rope. Interestingly, backup knot can also be used metaphorically in everyday English. When someone mentions a backup knot in a non-climbing context, they're often talking about a safety measure or a precautionary step in a broad range of situations. For instance, saving extra copies of a document on your computer can be seen as tying a backup knot for your data. Let's see how to use backup knot in sentences. 1. In climbing, always tie a backup knot to ensure your harness is secure. 2. In everyday life, I always keep a spare tire in my car as a backup knot for road trips. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applicable in both specific and general contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, backup knot, and how you can use it in different scenarios. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and practices they represent. Keep practicing, and don't forget to tie your own backup knots in learning. Until next time, happy learning and stay safe.